In a pulsating showdown at the Club World Cup, Flamengo stunned Chelsea with a commanding 3-1 victory in their second group stage clash. Though the Premier League giants struck first, it was the Brazilian side, and their fervent supporters, who truly dictated the rhythm of the match. From the first whistle, the stadium felt less like neutral ground and more like the Maracana itself had been transplanted into the heart of the tournament. Flamengo fans turned the arena into a cauldron of noise, unleashing relentless, high-pitched chants that echoed with passion and pride. The sea of red and black banners, choreographed songs, and rhythmic drumming overwhelmed the senses. It was more than noise, it was a force. Every Flamengo attack was met with a crescendo of sound, every Chelsea misstep cheered with thunderous approval. The atmosphere seemed to rattle the English side, who looked increasingly disjointed as the match wore on. After Flamengo equalized, the momentum visibly shifted. The roar that followed their second goal was deafening, and it was shortly after this emotional surge that Chelsea striker Jackson lost his composure and was sent off. Down to 10 men and under an unyielding sonic assault, Chelsea crumbled. Flamengo's third goal sealed the result, and with it, perhaps, a psychological victory for their fans as much as their players. For Chelsea, it wasn't just Flamengo's quality they had to contend with, it was a stadium transformed into a living, breathing wall of sound.